Hey guys, this is the Easy Change oil filter system. It's $78 Canadian. So I'm going to convert mine over. So here's a look at how they store their tractors at Home Depot. It's a massive rack. There is 55 lawn tractors here. They're all John Deere's. That's why they get so dirty, because they sit outside, but I guess where are you going to store this many tractors? Same crate that mine came in. A lot of tractors. So again, these are the shipping crates they come in on, and then when they're delivered they take them off the crate, as you've seen in my other video. I'll share a link to it. Kind of neat to see how they're stored and delivered. Again, this is a Home Depot in our local area in New Brunswick, Canada. Just here getting some items. So I'll also share a quick clip of the quick change oil filter and oil change system. That's $78 Canadian plus 15% tax. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll have quite a few more videos on the old John Deere E180. Thanks for watching.